Hello, this is Brian Rezny. Today is question and answer day, and one of the questions I repeatedly get is about gold, and should gold always be in your portfolio? And is gold great when you have major inflation? What about deflation? What about the deflating dollar? And a lot of fearmongers out there are saying the dollar's basically going to keep going and dropping and dropping and dropping, and should you own gold? The bottom line is this: gold or any asset category shouldn't be owned all the time. There's times you may want to own gold, and there's times you may not want to own gold. I can tell you this: we missed a big, bad downward trend in gold all of 2013, and our clients were glad that we were out of gold. This year it's popped up a little bit. I firmly believe gold is one of those assets you need to make sure it is relatively strong and in a positive trend line. We still do not own gold, and I would not be buying gold just because of fear and press articles and releases you hear all the time. Gold should not be bought just because of the fearmongers. It should not be owned all the time. In fact, there's many asset categories that have outperformed gold in various time frames. So at the end of the day, gold is a tool in the toolbox, should be used only when appropriate. And one of the things I want to suggest about gold: never ever buy gold from one of those gold commercials. If you want to invest in gold, probably the best way to invest in physical gold is buy an ETF, exchange traded fund, under the symbol GLD. It owns physical gold. It's stored in vaults. You could actually technically take delivery if you really wanted to, but there's no reason to ever do that. We don't own gold currently, and again, if we look at our long-term market trend indicators, it's actually in a negative position. But at the end of the day, if the world comes to an end, the gold mongers obviously will be probably correct. But if the world doesn't come to an end, I firmly believe that other assets, especially equities, if the U.S. economy continues to expand, are going to be better opportunities for real investors.